Hi my friend, I'm here to teach how can upgrade BADA 1.20 to BADA 2.0. Then these three steps are very essential. We must have BADA 2.0 firmware and multi-loader version 5.65 and a proper data cable. I just store all the firmwares into one folder. Is here and I also store all the appropriate softwares also in that folder, and I must have the multi-loader version 5.65. Then how we can make our phone into download mode? First switch off your phone and just press volume down button and lock key and code reset button, and it will go into the download mode. You can see that and just open the my multi-loader software, and here we can see a box, and we must tick the LSI mode here, and not any other mode, only LSI mode. Okay, after that just tick the full download option. It's here, you can see full download option. Then we must search boot. We can see then there will appear a box with the just browse the boot files and open file and AMSS, APPS and only other required software we must search and open at this box. Okay, and we must make sure that the photo file is available or not. Some software provided by the internet, sometimes they will not give the photo files. So first we make ensure the photo file is available or not. This is very essential. Without photo file we cannot take the Samsung apps and internet browsing also. There should be an error is coming there. Okay, so the photo file is very important, and all other file is very important, and also photo file is also important one. Okay, then after that we must connect our phone through the data cable. Please make ensure our data cable is working or not. Okay, just connect the data cable into our phone, and in the multi-loader sometimes it will be automatically detected by our device. Sometimes it will not detect our mobile phone. At that time we must make port search options here. Okay, the port search options is only need when the multi-load is not automatically detect our phone. Okay, in this case here we go, the COM3 is detected. Okay, then they are showing the ready button, the ready message is coming there. Okay, then no problem, and just make download button, just hit the download button. Then at the right side some dialogs will appear here. All the details of process is appearing there. In this case whenever we are upgrading our BADA 1.2 to BADA 2.0, first our phone memory will be formatted, flashed. Okay, I think before upgrading we must back up our contacts, any other phone memory details we must back up. Okay, otherwise it will be lost. Okay, in this case the phone memory almost will be flashed. Okay, after that the multi-loader up and downloading the data from the system to our phone one by one. First the boot file will be downloaded, after AMSS and APPS, and all the files will be downloaded with one by one. Okay, I think it will take 18 minutes, 18 or 15 minutes will take. So this is not a very big deal. some of my friends are afraid to upgrading, but because they think it will be very complicated. I think it finished, then all files will be completed. That means it finished the downloading mode. then phone automatically configuring the beta 2.0. After the phone will be restarted. Yeah, showing the restarting. Samsung Wave 2 GT S3 S8530 is coming. Yeah, our phone is restarting right now. Yeah, it's a new look beta 2.0. Yeah, our phone is upgraded. Our Wave 2 phone is beta 2.0 right now. Yes, I made it. You can also made it, man. No problem. It will take some time. Okay. Yeah, it will be opened here. We can check our new look of beta 2.0. I think the Galaxy phone have the same, like almost the same look. Yeah, just look up. Yeah, this is a tutorial screen. First time it will be appear. Okay, it's not be affecting. Yeah, just see that desktop. It's a close resembles to our Galaxy Tab or anything like a Galaxy phone. It's very simple. It's very simple to use and also very stable as compared to 1.20. The menu options are there. Uh, the first time it will come. It's a tutorial message. Yeah, just look upon. It's a just like Android phone. The temperature widget and the clock widget is appear also available in this version as like the Galaxy Tab. And first we must, I think we have to check out our connectivity. So I just put on my Wi-Fi connectivity here. I want to put on, and I will check my version also. Yeah, just look up general and about phone. Yeah, you can see then it's going upgraded one. The version is beta 2.0. Yes, our phone is beta 2.0 right now. No problem. There's no any other problem. Software problem is I think the camera clarity and the video clarity is much better than beta 2 1.2. Okay, just feel it's different. The whenever we take the call button, the call button is working in the background of black. It's a very dark screen is appear. Okay, so yeah, now I just check out my connectivity. I just put on a Wi-Fi, and I want to check my Samsung apps also. Yeah, it's amazing. It's working, no problem. Samsung apps is also working, no problem. And if you are facing any problem during the upgrading, just mail me. It's my email ID and my phone number.